So these guys have graciously agreed to do my door as well. That is just awesome of y'all. Thank you guys.
You're welcome. We did the screen yesterday, the other screen, so.
Oh, cool. Did I say oh cool? I meant that was awesome.
You have to remember, this is Aja we're talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
God. We're letting them hillbillies work on that?
Hey.
Hey, we're not hillbillies, we're red now.
We're gonna come back and fix it with duct tape and baling wire.
Hey. Mister.
Oh, we got more back here. Oh, do we? We got 6 more. Okay.
And these aren't just Phillips heads. These are square heads.
Oh, are they really?
Yep.
Yeah.
They look like Phillips.
They do.
Put a Phillips in it, it'll strip them.
Oh.
All RVs have square heads in them.
Well, I'm glad to know this. Thank you so much. I see. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I learned that the hard way when I first started working on mine.
Uh-huh.
And stripped out a couple screws.
Oh, no.
And they were a pain in the butt to get off.
Well, that was easy enough.
All right, we got Aja's door. Now we're gonna run away with it.
Bye.
Bye.
No, not my door.
We'll be back in a year or 2 with your door.
Oh, geez, that's not that long, I guess.
Nah, you can do without it.
Live without it.
Well, at least I have my main door, though.
Yeah.
I've sought you in the streets and darkened alleys, on strange rooftops in the sea of stars above me, praying somehow you would hear my pleas and find me, break the bonds that grip my soul at last, untie me. Break the bonds that grip my soul at last, untie me. I thought I found you in the woods as dusk like faded, and left me running through.
Oh my God, look at that thing. That's freaking huge, but awesome.
Dragon.
What does it say?
Dragon.
Oh, the little dragon, right.
It says Outlanders.
Outlanders.
That's neat.
It is really neat.
What does that say? Popcorn?
Yeah, that's cool as crap. I had to go do laundry in Ehrenberg, one of my least favorite things to do, but it has to be done. The guys are getting ready to go up the mountain and get a better view of here.
Her name's Fat, F-A-T-T.
Oh, that looks good. What is it now? Just
It's
fudge?
fudge. It's amazing. We all ate it, and I shared it along the way.
Uh-huh, sure.
Smelled-
You sure you didn't pick something up in the desert?
I'm sure. Yeah,
Okay,
eat it.
well,
You want to film you eating the stuff I picked up in the desert? It's really good.
Oh, that is really good.
You help yourself. You can have
Okay.
a whole. Look at how much it smells.
No, that was Adventure Van Brian.
Oh, I've met him
What's
yet.
going on?
Will you reach me only when I give up trying? Place a cool hand on my cheek when I am crying. Will you only grace my bed when I am dying?
So we made it to the top up here. We're gonna see what view we can get. We still have to climb up here and then look, because the campsite is on the other side of this hill.
It goes up there.
Look at that. Let's do that. Check it
We're
out.
piling back in.
What happened?
Look, the road comes around and goes right back up on top of the hill right there.
Okay, well, sure. That's what I was trying to tell you. I was like, why did we stop now that the road is not by the cliff edge? Be careful, please. Don't run.
No, I'm talking about in the back. Look, can I ride at the front?
All right,
keep filming 'cause
back
I'm
in the
vlog-
car.
I'm-
Okay, this is Dana getting in the car. Okay, never mind. She did good this time.
I just about busted behind him, and you saved my life. Thank you.
Those cactus are cool.
Look at all those.
Whoa! Whoa! I think we'll park right here. What do you got?
Okay, let's park.
Get out on that side. Oh my goodness.
So here's the view from up here, and there is base camp, or the RTR.
You can see the big tent.
Oh, can you see the big tent way over there in Quartzsite?
Oh, is that it? That big white thing?
Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, I see at the top of the white one.
That's cute.
And there's a closer shot of it. Isn't that awesome looking?
God, this is so beautiful.
It is beautiful up here.
Hey, I got a picture idea.
Awesome sauce!
Okay, get in there. Okay, say awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce!
Much. Yes, it's the Moo-moo monster. You ready? Come on. Go ahead, go. Go. So I think we're gonna walk up the hill just a bit. Look, somebody's stealing your truck.
No!
And they're coming towards us.
And yeah, they're going the wrong way. Hey, if you're stealing a truck, you should go the opposite way.
But it's a Ford. It can make it.
So he just pulled the truck up here. So there's a nice flat area up here. Cool. Here is a roundabout view of the area.
No, you can't park here. Or so he asked who he's with. He goes, I'm with RTR. He goes, you can't park here. And he goes, I wasn't parking here. I was going through, so he went all the way through.
So we're headed down now on this scary, scary path. Oh my God, look at that. Cactus has a mouth. That's too funny.
What strange love is this that only knows denying? What strange love is this that only knows denying?
It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's
My
nice
name
to
is
meet
Sylvia.
you too. Hey, Sylvia.
I've been following you. I'm one of your patrons. And
Oh,
not a very expensive patron.
you know what? I appreciate everything.
You know
so.
what? You do some good videos.
Thank you. I
really
appreciate
put
that.
some good footage out. You and
you.
Eric are, I think, the best ones.
I appreciate that.
And Moo-moo is definitely a star.
Hi, how are you?
I'm Sharon.
Sharon, nice to meet you.
Nice to
Sharon.
meet you. I've been watching you all over everywhere. Here, give me a hug.
How are you doing?
Doing good. Oh, finally good to meet you.
I know, nice to meet you finally.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah, we were over here last night. We were parked down there.
Oh, cool.
Chit-chatting with Eric for a little bit.
Right.
I couldn't find you in the mist. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a little party last night.
Is there going to be a drum circle going on?
I heard that. I don't know where though. But I know there's a drum circle around here somewhere.
Okay, because I do.
Yeah, you can take her picture. She's a star. She knows it. She likes her pictures taken. You can pick her up if you want to.
Supporting actress.
Does she get more attention than you do?
Mostly, yeah.
I love when you were filming on the dunes and her silhouette is up on that.
Oh yeah, I like when she's just. I caught her when she was just staring out into the sand dunes. It was so beautiful. It was.
Maybe she's a poser.
And then you tell her, come on.
Yeah, she's definitely a poser. She's jumped up on rocks and just posed for me before. Yeah, she does. She's really good.
This is almost like a handle.
Yeah, I actually have her life jacket and it does have a handle on the back. So she's.
Shoulder bills, and he's gonna.
Moo-moo. She does have legs. What you doing?
I just wondered if she got more attention.
She does. She's the star. I'm just the film crew.
Oh, okay.
That's all I do is, yeah, I just film. So. There you go.
So cute.
She is.
So friendly.
So you said you're Lori?
Yeah.
All right, it's nice to meet you.
We saw her dancing last night.
Yeah, she likes to dance every once in a while. Shake it off, girl. Shake it off. I'm just gonna record the back of your head since you're standing in my way.
Good video.
I'm just joking. So what?
I am
Makes a
running.
good video.
What does?
You could have a back of the head channel.
I know, yeah. Guess whose
what
back of the
nomads
head
think.
this is?
How about I have a butt channel?
Well, we're heading back into town because Seth's gonna go get his rig and finally come to the RTR.
About time.
I know, what do you call those people that don't like to socialize?
Introverts.
No. Yeah, you
Loners?
call them that too.
Losers?
But antisocial. Yeah. Did you say non-social?
Non-socializers.
I think it's called antisocial. Anyways, yeah, so that's where we're headed. Yeah, that's it. Bye. What is
Are
it?
you ready for your special gift?
Yes.
There you go.
What is it? Is it a sticker?
It's a magnet.
Is it a magnet? Thank you. That's awesome. Home is where you park it. That's cool.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Good. Get a hug?
Yes. The kids want to hug you too. Wow. A lot going on here. Cheers. What are you eating, sir?
The guys made a beautiful sausage and cheese dip,
Awesome.
and Andy made some homemade salsa.
Oh, it looks good.
It's very good.
Hello, sir. How you doing, girl?
Margarita night?
Huh?
Is it margarita night?
The guys are having
Yeah, it
margarita
is.
mayhem.
I know. So, what is this music you're playing?
Just on the TV.
Oh,
I was
okay.
waiting for your speaker.
Okay.